fueled by earnings and a few other factors in the market. The S&P hitting a fresh high. Let's bring in Doug Flynn, founding partner of Flynn Zito Capital Management. Doug, a banner day for stocks, right? Dow, S&P, both scaling to record highs again. What's behind this rally?
Yeah, it's a great day. It was really the market exhaling. I think it's been a little bit worried about oil prices for sure, inflation, the Fed, interest rates, all of that. And, you know, with oil coming down, with the possibility of the Strait opening, that was a big boon. And you had record earnings from a number of companies and some really good numbers. So the market took a sigh of relief here, and more stocks joined the party than just tech stocks, and that's a good thing. So you're seeing that show up, and 1,000 points is, even at this level, 1,000 points is still sort of makes headlines, and even if it's just around 2%, but we'll take it. We'll take every 1,000 point that we can get.
Yeah, it's so funny because a 1,000-point rally used to be a rare occurrence, but over the last year, we've had quite a few of them. Let me ask you this. The big question is, will it last, right? How dependent is this rally on the peace negotiations with Iran? And to your point there, the Strait of Hormuz actually opening in the next, 24 to 48 hours, as the markets is kind of expecting here?
Yeah, the market's really looking for a reason to ramp up, which you see here. That news is good news, and so for as long as that sticks, that will help. I don't suspect it'll be straight, through and everything's solved. That's sort of been the way it goes. It goes like this, then it kind of retrenches a little bit.
Yeah.
But what it shows you is that if it is coming and it does happen, there's a lot of momentum behind here, and it isn't just in the tech area. There's all of these other companies that are participating. You saw Caterpillar today rally a lot, which helped the Dow, because their equipment is what's used for all the AI build out of all the facilities for AI. So that's what you want to see. You want to see it spreading out. And so I think if this sticks, we got more here to come. But it is very tepid, as you know, and it changes minute by minute, day by day, and tweet by tweet, if you will, by the president.
Yeah, we're going to dig more into those earnings, even the president's tweets. And, of course, we got to talk SpaceX at the end of this hour when the markets actually close. Doug, appreciate you jumping on at the top here. Let's go now to the